Just want to show you. Look at that. Look at that. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today, I'm making a gluten-free banana bread. You guys been asking for this. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's delicious. It only has 6 ingredients and you're going to love it. So let's get started, okay? Hey guys, before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free, and hit the bell so you can get your what? Notification. The first thing that I'm gonna use is putting 2 cups of rolled oats, gluten-free rolled oats. Or you can use old-fashioned if you're not gluten-free, but if you are, use gluten-free rolled oats. Okay, my healthy people, so now that we have our rolled oats in, we're going to turn this into oat flour. Okay, that's a pretty good consistency. I'll show you. Okay, that's what it looks like. I will be adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I'll be adding 2 eggs, and this is flax eggs, 2 bananas, and this is optional, guys. I'm just gonna add a pinch of allspice. Don't come for me, it's optional. You don't need it. Okay. So I have 1/4 cups of milk here, and this is my almond milk. Just blend. And that's the consistency that we're looking for. Perfect. This is it, guys. This is all you need. Let's make our gluten-free, dairy-free, our vegan banana bread, right? All right, so let's get our pan. All right, so let's pour this out. Okay, my healthy people, so now that everything has been scraped out, just gonna spread everything out. Looks good. Put it in the oven, and then we'll be back to see what it looks like. Okay, my healthy people, so this is it. This is our gluten-free banana bread, and I had it in the oven for 350 degrees for 35 minutes. I had it sitting out for about 10 minutes, so it's not hot anymore. So I'm just gonna show you. Just remove it, and it's very moist. Okay, this is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious, simple and easy to make. If you love these recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have an idea for a recipe you'd like for me to make, leave it in the comment section, and I will definitely do my best to make it for you. Okay, so let's cut this up. I just want to show you before I even cut it that it's very moist. See? Very nice. Smells really good too. Only 6 ingredients, about 110 calories per slice. And I'm just gonna cut it right here. I just want to show you guys how moist this looks. See that? Just want to show you. Look at that. Look at that. Let's cut this up. Our delicious banana bread. Simple and easy to make. Gluten-free, vegan. You're gonna love it. The kids are gonna love it. Everyone is gonna love it. If you do make it, don't forget to tag me at Maxine's Corner. Guys, also check out our new website at findways.com. I have some great stuff there as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love the video, do what? Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me. Stay healthy.